5 powerful ways to make any woman worry about you. This is Spell Solution. The goal is for you to stay in a healthy relationship and a healthy marriage. Number one, be yourself. Do your thing. Live your life. Live your life according to your own terms. Let her not be the one to determine how you live your life, how you see things. Let her not impose her decisions on you. Let it be what you want that you're going to do. Anything you know that makes you happy, do it unapologetically. Do not do it because she's going to feel bad. And as you know that this thing is what brings happiness, genuine happiness to you, do not stop it because you're with her. She notices, and because she noticed that you're stopping your life, you're stopping things that brings genuine happiness, genuine joy to your life, she's going to take advantage of you. This makes her to want to be controlling, tell you where to go, where not to go, who to meet, who not to meet. And most men, where they are quick to discard their friends, people who have been there before her, because they'll call you, they want to see you, or you guys want to hang out. You feel you need to always stay around her. You no longer go to them, you no longer want to see them. Prioritize her, prioritize your relationship. Then if you're prioritizing your relationship and her, you give her her time when she needs it. Then if you need to go to the gym, you're the type that goes to the gym, play football, do not stop it because of her. Most times you need to be out, you need to maybe play football, go to the gym, do those things that makes you happy, and she's insisting you going out with her or staying with her. Tell her that when you're done with it, that you come back to her. This way, no woman don't want, every woman wants to chase you because your life comes first before her and any other thing. Yes, you're prioritizing her, but then you're not forgetting yourself in the process. Then number two, stop being clingy. Stop doing everything. Let your world not revolve around a woman. If your world revolve around a woman, she's everly going to trash you and she will never have regret about it. Most times when you hear women, they will say, hey, that one, he's always around me. So if I leave him, I will see how he's going to cope. Most times they want to draw back, they want to give silent treatment, they don't want to talk to you. It's not because most times they are in another relationship. They want to see how you're going to cope, how you're going to feel. And most times they start up another relationship. This is just to get you a reaction. If after staying with this person, after staying in that relationship with that person, if they come back to you, what your reaction is going to be. A woman cannot just pull away if she didn't know that you're being clingy with her. Once you're being clingy with a woman, the first gift she will give you is not thank you. No woman will ever come to tell you thank you for being clingy, for always want to stay with her, for always want to do everything she says, for always want to always listen to her and not listen to yourself or do things for yourself. No woman will ever tell a man thank you. This is not the love language any woman want to hear, or she doesn't want to see you being too attached to her. If you're too attached, give her space, give her distance. So that distance makes her long for you. So even if most guys will say, no, if I give her distance, I'm going to lose her. Giving a woman distance doesn't mean you're going to lose her. Sometimes have a private time for yourself. Your world mustn't revolve always around her. Let her know you have a life and you're willing to live it and to the fullest. So if she know you have a life, she will come to join you to live your life. But if you're being too clingy, there is nothing to live for. There is nothing to join you for. So she want to do everything. Most times they will tell you they are bored. Most times they will tell you, this relationship, I just need space. If she is telling you she needs space without any quarrel, without any fight, know it that you're being too clingy with her. Give her space. Don't be too available. If you're too available, she's going to take advantage of you. Then three, establish clear boundaries. What do you want? Establish it and stick with it. Most guys, they know they needed something. They know they can easily take any woman, their women can easily tell them, oh no, I won't do this, I won't do that, and they let her get away with that. If you want something, maybe you want her, you don't like some things, you tell her, no, I don't like this and I will not tolerate this. Stick on it. Women are bound test every boundary you set. Let them know that every boundary you set, if you violate it or disrespect it, you're going to get punished. Most times, you will always want to remove yourself from their lives because they violated or disrespected your boundary. Not that you don't like them, it's just you. Don't stop acting too emotional. When you're too emotional with a woman, you find it difficult setting clear boundaries. You find it difficult asking her to do things you know that benefits you. You must be a principled person. Once you set boundaries, once you say no, I don't want this, stick to it. If she says, oh, this thing you say you don't want, I'm going to do it, that is why you don't need repetition. Once she did it the first time and you complain, say, no, I don't want this, I've warned you, I don't want it. Tell her the implication of she doing it again. You're going to let it slide for now, but next time you're not going to tolerate it again. So next time she will want to try it. If she tries it, then you give her the punishment that those things you said you're going to do. Do not overlook anything. Don't say a word and you don't follow through. It means that that woman is never ever going to respect your boundaries. Then number 4, give her space. Give them space. Space to breathe, space to think, so you too can breathe and think. Your life must not be 100%, it must be with them. If you give space in a relationship, the woman have this hunger. She longs to be with you. She longs to see. She longs to stay with. She longs to hear your voice. She wants to come close. Most of you feel giving space means you're going to lose her to someone else. Any woman that you giving space means you're being focused on your goals and dreams and you're chasing them. You're not chasing her. You're chasing your goals and dreams. Let her do the chasing. Any woman that does chasing, that is chasing, will always stick to you, will always love you, and will always be loyal to you. They are not loyal because they don't chase. You're the one chasing. You made your life, like your life, you put your life on hold because you're with them. Oh, she's too beautiful. I cannot lose her for anything. So you stopped giving space. You want to always bombard her with your presence. You want to bombard her with calls. If you call the first time she did not take, you keep calling all through the day. She will stop taking your calls. She start taking you for granted. The things you even do for her, she doesn't appreciate them. She feels entitled to almost everything you do for her. And you'll feel, oh, she doesn't appreciate the things I do, or women don't love. The love is just the way you go about it. That is why you're not getting it. Then the fifth one and the last one. Ask for whatever you know you want. Anything you know you want, do not keep quiet. Do not stay quiet. Ask. Ask you for yourself. Anything you feel you don't want or you want in a relationship. Everyone have expectation, but let your expectations be realistic so that whenever you ask, you know that those things you ask for is met. Most times you're being misunderstood by keeping quiet, not saying exactly what you want and how you feel. If you feel maybe the way she reacted to you is not all right, address it, talk about it. If you feel there is something you need in a relationship from the beginning, tell her that and let ensure she does it for you. Most of you feel your love and sacrifice is enough to make a woman stick to you. Let her know she also need to make sacrifices for you, and not until you tell her she doesn't know. Even if she know, she's never going to do it. She will always feel you're okay with whatever you're getting. So ask and it shall be given to you. So you must ask her exactly, tell her exactly how you feel and let her do exactly what you want. This is the balance. This is how to get her to always worry about you, worry about she keeping you and also having you in her life. This is Spell Solution. Which of these things are you doing? Which of them are you going to try? Drop it in the comment section. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, drop your opinion what you think about this video, and share this video massively to your families and friends. Share it. Many guys are out there who needs it. Thank you.